Hi, hello, namaste. In this section, we are going to run the basic app of the Flutter, and we will see the widgets which we use for running the basic app. Let me open the Android Studio first. Here we have to create the new Flutter project. By clicking on it, select the Flutter application, then click on next. Here we will write the app name, project name. Here we have to enter the project name. What we like, I will write like project name sample project, Flutter sample, and give the path of the file, that where we have to put this project. Give the location of the project file. Here I have given the this is the SDK path, and here project location, where the project will going to be saved. Here I have chosen the D drive in that Flutter app, so that while creating the project here, the project will stored in Flutter app folder. And click on next. Finish the project. It will open the project directly. Yes, here we have the basic format of the project. Let me delete the unnecessary code here. Material app is a predefined class in a Flutter, and it is likely the main or core component of the Flutter. We can access all the other components and widgets provided by Flutter SDK using Material app. Some of the widgets like drop down, text, scaffold, list view, stateless and stateful widgets. We can get the overall accesses from this Material app. Here we have created a class MyApp by using a class name MyApp, and which extends stateless widget. There are two types of widgets mainly. One is stateless and another is stateful widget. We will learn the difference between these two in the upcoming classes. Firstly, we will see that how to run the basic app in this section. And let's see Material app. Here in this we have home, which contains another class my home page, and we have created my home page with another class name here. And this is the basic setup of creating the Flutter app. In this my home page we have return. In this return page we have scaffold, which have the multiple widgets, which can hold multiple widgets. The main difference between scaffold and Material app is scaffold can hold the multiple widgets. Scaffold can contain multiple widgets. Scaffold contains multiple widgets, but these all widgets can be accessed by the Material app. These all are the widgets was accessed by Material app, and inside that Material app we have a scaffold widget, and inside the scaffold we have app bar and a body and a floating action button. These are the widgets that can hold the scaffold, and inside that body we can give we can use different type of widgets like center, column, text. These are like, let me run the code first, and let's see what is going to happen. And before running the app, just open the yeah before running the app, let's go to the SDK manager, which is shown in the right side of the panel, and click on it. Inside that we have plugins. Click on the plugins and install Dart and Flutter. Here I have already installed these two plugins, so before running the project, just install these Dart and Flutter plugins and restart the Android Studio again, and then open the Android Studio and then try to run the code, basic code. Here I am running the basic code, flutter run. For running the basic code, we will use the command flutter run in the terminal, and then enter. Here it is asking flutter create dot for access for opening the app or panel into the internet server. So here we have Chrome and Edge. Okay, let's create the panel first. Flutter create dot. Okay, the things all have been installed here. Then we can run flutter. It will ask the things in which internet browser we are going to open the app. I have selected the Chrome, option 2. It takes some time to process the project. First time it takes more time to run the app. From the next time onwards, we can directly run the code within 2-3 seconds. Could not download WSM module. Restart application. Once restart the application, option 2. Yeah, here we have the basic app, the title and the app. Let me tell you the differences and widgets we have used in this. Here title, which is showing in the material app, was this Flutter demo, and also I am passing the title to the my homepage class, which is displayed here with the required widget and Flutter demo homepage. And one more thing, you have pushed the button. Yes, this was the text here. This is the text widget which is we are showing in this web panel, and counter. If we tap on plus, it will automatically increment the counter. And the button which is showing in the bottom side, this is the floating action button. Here we have the tooltip with the increment, and on pressed we will increment the counter with +1. And here is the function we have written, increment, void increment counter. By tapping on this, it will increment 1 by 1 with the count. And in the next section we are going to run the basic widget apps like container, text, center, stack, column, rows. In the next section we are going to run the Flutter app in the mobile and the process for running the Flutter app in the mobile. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's